All right, picture this. It's September. Tim Cook walks onto the stage, says his signature, "Good morning," and bam, the iPhone 17 lineup is here. But hold on. This year, things are different. We're not just getting a new iPhone, we're getting an entirely new lineup, the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and a mysterious new iPhone 17 Ultra. Yeah, Apple is throwing Ultra around like it's a Marvel superhero, and trust me, based on these 10 leaks, you might seriously want to wait before upgrading, kicking things off. We have the first major iPhone redesign in years. If you look at an iPhone 15 Pro and squint, it's basically the same as an iPhone 13 Pro. But the iPhone 17 Pro, it's shaking things up with a completely new back design. According to leaks, the Pro models will feature a part aluminum, part glass back. The top section will have a brand new rectangular camera bump made entirely out of aluminum, while the bottom remains glass to keep MagSafe and wireless charging intact. Basically, it's like Apple saw Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra and said, yeah, we'll take some of that. Now, this one's interesting. The iPhone 17 Air, yes, that's apparently a thing, has leaked, kinda. The leak comes from a source that has been right before, but also wrong. So take it with a grain of Himalayan pink salt. From the leaked design, it actually looks a lot like the Pixel 9 Pro. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. It's clean, it's modern, and it's definitely a fresh look compared to the same old iPhone design we've had for years. For the first time since the iPhone 11, Apple is doubling the megapixels on the front camera. We're getting a 24 megapixel selfie cam with a 6-element plastic lens. Now, if you've ever taken a nighttime selfie with an iPhone, you know the struggle. It looks like it was taken on a potato. But this upgrade, it's going to fix that. So if you're into selfies, this might be a game changer. The telephoto camera is finally getting an upgrade to 48 megapixels. And this is huge. Why? Because in camera tests, the current 12 megapixel telephoto lens was the reason the iPhone 15 Pro Max lost to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Right now, if you take a 1:1 portrait and crop in, it looks better than actually using the telephoto lens. That's how bad it is. But with this new upgrade, Apple might finally close the gap. If you've been holding on to a regular iPhone because you didn't want to spend extra on a Pro model, you're in for a treat. Both the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air are finally getting promotion 120 Hz displays. Once you go 120 Hz, you can't go back. Scrolling is smoother, animations look better, and reading text while scrolling feels like floating on a cloud. Apple, welcome to 2020. Android's been doing this for years. One of the best features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its Gorilla Glass armor, which basically makes scratches disappear and reduces reflections. And guess what? Apple is finally catching up. The iPhone 17 Pro models are rumored to get an upgraded anti-reflective display, making it easier to see in bright sunlight. If you've ever struggled to watch a YouTube video outside, this is a big deal. We're getting the A19 and A19 Pro chips, but don't expect a massive jump in performance. This is still on the 3 nanometer process, no 2 nanometer yet. But there will be better efficiency, meaning slightly better battery life. And in early tests, the A19 is already outperforming the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in gaming and thermal performance. Apple's chips are just built different. iPhones are powerful, but they get hot, like accidentally slow roasting your hand hot. The entire iPhone 17 lineup is rumored to have better cooling systems with graphene sheets and vapor chamber cooling, especially in the Pro Max model. This could mean sustained high performance without overheating. For the first time, Apple might give the iPhone 17 Ultra 12 gigabytes of RAM, while the Pro stays at 8 gigabytes. Apple has always been weird about RAM, keeping it lower than Android while still optimizing performance. But if the Ultra model gets 12 gigabytes, it could mean even better AI features and multitasking power. Apple is reportedly making its own Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip to replace Qualcomm's, which could mean better power efficiency and new exclusive features. Also, let's be honest, Apple loves cutting out third-party suppliers to increase profit margins. So don't be surprised if this saves them money while giving us some minor improvements. With all these upgrades, redesigned back, 120 Hz on regular models, a new front camera, better telephoto, and improved cooling, it actually makes sense to wait for the iPhone 17 lineup. Apple is making big moves this year, and if you're someone who appreciates premium tech, this is the upgrade to look out for. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 17 Ultra a true Ultra phone, or is it just another marketing stunt? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, hit that like button, because rumor has it, not smashing it might make your phone mysteriously laggy. See you in the next one. Peace out.